Hi Brooke, this is your Aunt Cathy. I'm going to show you what I'm sending you. This kind of messy looking thing right here is a drop cloth towel, and it would make a good napkin. And you can see the spatula I used to make the imprint there. This is done with acrylic paint, and I thought with was an unappreciated word. So I put this, these are with and after towels. You can use it as a napkin with dinner, and you can use it for a towel in the kitchen after dinner. And if you fold it, you can see the word when you hang it. The next thing you're getting, you ordered a striped runner, and this is the runner. You're getting 2 of them in the burgundy and green and gold stripe. And these are part of my spaghetti night collection. They don't show messy stains so much, so they're great for family kind of things. And these towels up here were designed with the same idea in mind. And you ordered 4 of these dark green towels. These also make great napkins. I'm sending you 8. You can have extras. Now this one is a design that's similar to something that your great-grandmother great-grandma Kreider did on a pair of pillowcases. And this is a red work design, but it's done by the machine, of course. And there's a set of towels that goes with the spaghetti night collection. That's for your kitchen. And this is another little towel, little hand towel, and it's acrylic paint is used to create the design, and free motion embroidery on this one. And the tag, I put cotton on it, but I think it might be linen. I might have misidentified that one. And this fabric came from my sister-in-law from an estate. And she brought me the fabric, and I made the towel out of it. This is in case you have a towel in your bathroom and you want to tell people where to wipe their hands. I just thought that was funny. These I'm sending you because this is inspired again by your Grandma Kreider. The red stripes here were pillowcase that I made when I was about your age, and I tore it down and used it for the stripes. And this is something that your great-grandmother Kreider would have made like that. And then these are your bandana towels with on the blue ticking. These are pretty heavy duty. Make a good towel for you. Anyway, I hope you use them up and make them into rags when you're done. And thank you, and I love you. And bye-bye.